How to verify Robinhood account. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you verify your Robinhood account. To verify your Robinhood account, you must complete an identity verification process required by a federal law, and most applicants are verified automatically within minutes to 1 hour through manual. Review can take up to 1 to 3 business days as well. So before that, you also want to make sure to meet the eligibility criteria. That means you have to be at least 18 years old and have a social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, as well as have a legal US residential address and be a US citizen permanent, a resident, or hold a valid US visa. Now, you just have to make sure to go ahead and submit application, right? So for that, you just want to make sure to enter your legal name, date of birth, social security, tax identification, and address in the Robinhood app or website. If prompted, you could just take a clear photo of the front and the back of the government issued ID, such as US driver license, state ID, or passport as well. Then you just have to take a selfie. You may be asked for a 3-point selfie to match your face with your ID photo as well. Then a proof of address. If your address can't be verified automatically, you may need to upload a recently utilized bill or bank statement as well. And you also need to make sure to connect a funding source using instant verification through paid or manual test funding or deposit as well. So this way, you're supposed to verify your Robinhood account. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.